Hello, everyone. I'm Aditi, your host, and welcome back to the second episode of Showtime, the series where two digital artists compete against each other using exact same stock images to create an original artwork. Today's episode is going to be absolutely insane because we have two incredibly talented artists from two different parts of the world stepping into the battle arena. Representing the United Kingdom, we have our guest artist, De Williams, and representing India, we have Animesh. Now, before we begin, let's quickly go over the rules for today's challenge. Both artists must use all 12 provided stock images in their final composition. No extra stock images are allowed, and the entire artwork must be created around today's theme, cinema. That means both competitors will have to push their creativity, storytelling, composition, lighting, same set of images into something cinematic, dramatic, and visually powerful. Two artists, same resources, one team. Their only creativity can decide the winner. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready to witness an epic design battle between two amazing digital artists. Without any further ado, let the showtime battle begin.
What is up, YouTube? D. Williams here. I am a digital artist based in the UK. Firstly, I want to thank Annie for inviting me into one of his Photoshop battles. We decided on the theme to be cinema, and we had our 12 stock assets to use and try and create our own interpretation of the theme. And looking at Annie's piece, wow, man, it's amazing. Like the composition and the blending of all the compositing is just phenomenal. I love the way I love the choice of colours, actually. Like, it's just got a lovely ambience to it. I love the way the sun is setting in the west there, and then you've got like the darkness coming in from the sky. Really makes that magical axe pop, which, by the way, I think is just awesome. Love what you've done with the the glows on the axe there. And yeah, the main character has got quite a Kratos kind of vibe from God of War. Yeah, it's epic, man. Epic. Great work all round.
Hello everyone, Annie this side. So yeah, let's talk about D. Williams' artwork, which is actually more like a movie poster. Really like the concept of showing two different timelines side by side. That makes the whole story here. And the use of vibrant splash of colors is amazing. Both the colors used are well contrast and well painted the highlights of the main character. Really enjoyed the workflow and loved the artwork. And once again, thanks for participating. So yeah, that's all in this video. I'll see you in my next one.